Without a doubt, Japanese cuisine has captured the Filipino taste buds as Japanese restaurants mushroom all over Metro Manila. It must have been the simplicity of Japanese cuisine that excites the Filipino palates, as most classic Japanese dishes comprise only a handful of pressed ingredients, allowing the flavors of the main components to shine. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us to dine at the newest buffet in Greenhills to experience Japanese fusion cuisine and hotpot delights at Buffet Town, located at 43 Annapolis Street, San Juan City. Buffet Town's receptionist graciously welcomed us with free valet parking and a 20% discount dining promo coupon. The ongoing dining promo is exclusive only on weekdays from Tuesday to Friday during lunch and dinner service until the 30th of April 2024, which we are happy to use. Buffet Town has a spacious and elegant dining area with various buffet stations from appetizers to desserts. The choices at the buffet are plentiful and sufficient enough but not excessive. To make better choices, food servings are pre-portioned in colorful mini serving bowls, making food handling easy, faster, hygienic, safe, and economical. And more so, food waste is reduced and prevented. The serving portion reflects the amount people typically eat, but diners with hearty appetites can always request an adjusted serving portion. Something cold and hot is the perfect beginning to a hearty meal. We start with the cold appetizers of salmon tartare, tofu puray, wapu Caesar salad, and spicy maguro salad, which stimulate our appetite with some selections of flavorful sushis of different combinations and sashimis of orange salmon and red tuna. Our dining pleasure was perked up with the shabu-shabu hotpot with broths of contrasting flavors of sweet sukiyaki and spicy kimchi, spiced with the rich umami taste of satay sauce. Fresh selections of vegetables, noodles, peas balls, kinds of seafoods, and thinly sliced beef and pork are available for the hotpot and teppanyaki dishes. Beef and shrimp roll tepan and mixed seafood are a must-try at the Teppanyaki station. Freshly cooked hot mains are seafood salpicao, beef stew, stir-fried noodles, stir-fried vegetables, seafood fried rice, and the crowd pleaser bellichon at the Carberry station, which are served by food attendants in portions. Diners enjoyed many mouth-watering delights at the Ajinomo station, such as ebi tempura, tonkatsu, fried ika, tori karaage, and kakiage, alongside the smoky flavors of grilled shrimp, pork and beef, and the irresistible biti aburi of shake and maguro. As they say, the meal isn't complete without a bite of something sweet or as simple as a beautiful fruit. The dessert section has colorful creations of the Hanami desserts, known as the Sakura sweets. In Japan, Hana stands for flower and Mi for a look. It is like experiencing a hanami or a flower watching party during the Japanese Cherry Blossom Festival. Using a 9-slot tray, you can take your pick, mix and match your own hanami dessert box. We feasted on pressed fruits, creme brulee, panna cotta, matcha rolls, red velvet, butterscotch, lava cake, black sesame ice cream, and matcha ice cream, among others. The desserts are customizable to diners' delight and heart's content and help make serving portions manageable. The symphony of desserts here is the crowning glory of this great buffet. The good selection of refreshing drinks at the beverage station is also worth mentioning, like green tea, winter melon, chocolate, yogurt drinks, and the aromatic UCC coffee of Cafe Americano and Cappuccino, which we enjoyed with our Hanami desserts. Buffet Town has mastered the art of planning and balancing meals, combining color, texture, and taste with an array of carefully created dishes. It is a good place to eat and enjoy fast and attentive service for less with their ongoing promos. For reservation, message Buffet Town at Viber 0908 396 3009. See you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.